In today's video, I'm going to show you how to mark a Confluence page as a draft. This is especially useful when you're working collaboratively and want to refine your content before publishing it for others to see. To get started, open your preferred web browser. This can be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any browser you normally use. From there, go to Confluence and log into your account. If you don't have an account yet, you can sign up and continue once you're logged in. After logging in, navigate to the page you want to work on. You can either open an existing page or create a new one and begin adding your content. Take your time editing and organizing the information as needed. When you're done editing but don't want to publish the page yet, look at the top right corner of the editor. Instead of clicking Publish, select the option to Close Draft. This saves your work without making it visible to others. Saving a page as a draft allows you to pause, gather feedback, or return later to finish your edits without worrying about incomplete content being shared. To access your drafts later, click on your profile and select Drafts. This section stores all of your unpublished pages in one place. You may also find recent drafts in the Recently Worked On section. And that's it. You now know how to save and manage Confluence pages as drafts, making it easier to work on content at your own pace before publishing. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more simple and helpful Confluence tips and tech guides like this.